So this is a quick tutorial on exactly how you can download YouTube thumbnail in HD quality or like 3 to 4K resolution. So as you can see, this is the one of the YouTube channel I love very well, and I would like to recreate this particular YouTube thumbnail. So all I have to do is to copy the video URL. I'm going to go over to this website which is called clipvin.com. So I'm going to locate YouTube thumbnail downloader from the option. As you can see, we have YouTube thumbnail downloader. So I'm going to paste the URL of our YouTube channel, then click on get the YouTube thumbnail. So this particular tool is going to get to work and fetch different variation of the thumbnail that is available on the channel. So as you can see, we have different variation. We have SD, we have HQ, and we have HD. So this HD is actually in 2K resolution. So all you have to do is to click on download over here, and this clipvin.com is going to download the YouTube thumbnail in HD quality. So as you can see, I'm going to check the download over here. So this is the download. As you can see, this image is very clean and it is actually in 2K resolution. So you can be able to recreate this image or use it for your project. If you actually want to try this tool out, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to try them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.